Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 best features of Samsung's One UI 7.0. Some of these are game changers and you don't want to miss them. But real quick, I noticed something really crazy. A lot of you are watching these videos but not subscribing. Come on, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you're into Samsung tips, tricks and updates. It really helps the channel grow and it's totally free. Alright, let's get into it. Feature number 1 is where you can close all the apps except for one. So say for example, if you open up your app switcher, you have all of these apps. However, you want to close everything, but you want to leave something on. So for example, let's say internet, maybe you're chatting with someone or you have a session open and you want to leave the internet on. Then let me show you how to do this. So to do this, go ahead and tap on the app switcher. Next, go ahead and choose what app you want to leave open. So for example, internet, tap on internet. You'll get this menu. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose keep open. So go ahead and tap keep open. Once you press keep open, you'll see a lock on the app. So this basically locks the app and does not close it. If you scroll down, you'll see I have locked another app as well. As you can see, there's a padlock on it. Now when I go press close all, this will close all the apps except for the ones that have padlocks. So now these two apps will be kept open no matter what other apps you open and close. Those two apps will be kept open all the time. To remove the padlock, go ahead and tap on this and that will remove the padlock, and then you can go ahead and press on close all. Feature number 2 is where you can remove the dock from your home screen. So if you have a favorite dock here on your home screen where you have your phone, messages, email, WhatsApp and your app drawer, then let me show you how you can remove this so it gives a more of a minimalistic look on your home screen. So by removing this, you can basically add more icons. You can also display more of your wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you will need an app called Good Lock. You can download it from your Galaxy Store or from your Play Store. Search for Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Then go ahead and open it. Now in the app, you need another app called Home Up, which looks like that. Tap on this. Now go ahead and turn this feature on and then tap on home screen. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and where it says show favorites, you want to go ahead and turn this off. So once you do this, this will basically disable your favorite bar, which is here at the bottom. So as you can see, it has now disappeared. To bring it back, go ahead and turn on show favorites and that will bring back your favorites bar. However, for this video, we want to remove the favorite bar, so we'll go ahead and turn this off. And now your favorite bar has disappeared. Feature number 3 is where you can add more icons to your dock. So by default, you can only add 5 icons. However, there is a hack now where you can add up to 9 icons on your favorite bar. On your home screen, if you want to add more icons here at the bottom, then keep watching. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. Next, go ahead and find another app called Good Lock. Here you need to go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for another app called Home Up. Tap on that. Turn the feature on and then tap on home screen. Now from here, scroll down until you see favorites max count. So tap on this. Now go ahead and make this to 9 and then apply it. Then tap home. And now you can go ahead and drag your icons to the favorite bar and add 9 icons to your dock on the home screen. So as you can see, I've currently added 7 icons. However, I can go ahead and add it all the way till 9. So by doing this, you can go ahead and access your favorite apps from the bottom bar here. And this basically cleans up your home screen. Feature number 4 is where you can change the gesture bar and the size. So if you use the swipe gesture to go home, back, or look at the app switcher, and you want to change the color or you want to change the size of this gesture bar, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you first go to your Galaxy Store. Here you need to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Now once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now in the app, you're looking for another app called Navstar. tap on this, turn this feature on, make sure you're on swipe gesture, and then now you can go ahead and configure all of these settings. However, for now, we'll go ahead and configure the thickness and the color of this gesture bar here. So if you scroll down and we turn on gesture handle, we can go ahead and configure the handle width. So here you can make it a small handle width, or you can make it a wide handle width. You can even configure the transparency. You can even configure the color of this. So you can go ahead and match this to your wallpaper. And once you're done, go back to your home screen and you can see that your gesture bar has now changed the color and the size as well. Feature number 5, add moving wallpapers from TikTok to your lock screen. So if you've seen a moving wallpaper on TikTok and you want to use this as your lock screen, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you can first go to your Play Store. You want to search for an app called SnapTik. So this is how it looks like. So this will basically download a TikTok video without any watermark. So go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go back to your TikTok app. Go ahead and search for the wallpaper. So for example, this one here. Now we'll go ahead and tap on share and we'll go ahead and copy that link. Next, we'll go ahead and open up the app called SnapTik. Now we'll go ahead and download it. Now the download has been completed, so we'll go press home. We'll go into our gallery and we'll go ahead and open up the video which we've downloaded. So to set this as a moving wallpaper for our lock screen, go ahead and tap on 3 dots, then tap on set as wallpaper, and then tap on lock screen. Now once you do this, the wallpaper will be set. And once you're happy, tap done. And now when you wake up your phone, you'll see the moving wallpaper for your Samsung device. Feature number 6 is where you can add text to your home screen. So if you've added a wallpaper, however you want to add a motivational text or maybe a reminder text or maybe something important which you want to be reminded all the time, then let me show you how to do this on your phone. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. Here you need to go ahead and search for another app called Good Lock. Download this app and install it. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you need to go ahead and find another app called Home Up. And then turn this feature on. Then tap on Home Screen. Now scroll down until you see DIY Home Screen. Turn this feature on. Now go back to your home screen and then long press on a screen. Then tap on DIY Home at the top right. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now go ahead and swipe left until you see the text option. Now go ahead and choose your font and then go ahead and start typing in what you want to type in. Go ahead and choose your font, choose your size, choose your color here at the bottom. And now you can go ahead and configure this so you can make it larger. And once you're happy, tap on your home screen, swipe up to go back to your home. And now you've added text to your home screen. So this now basically stays part of your home screen. And if you move left and you move right, you'll see that your text has now stayed there. Feature number 7 is where you can add a moving wallpaper to your lock screen and to your home screen. So this works on your lock screen and on your home screen. So first you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, search for the following app called Good Lock. Go ahead and open this app. Now in the app, you're looking for another app called Wonderland. Tap on this. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Create Your Own Moving Wallpaper. Tap on this. Now go ahead and tap on plus sign. And now go ahead and tap on Gallery and choose a photo from your gallery. So for example, this one here. Next, you can go ahead and choose on image settings. And you can go ahead and enable some motion effects. Preview that. As you can see, it gives a motion effect from left to right. If you don't want that, you can go ahead and switch that off for now. Then at the bottom right here, you can go ahead and tap on this plus sign here, and you can add layers to it. So you can add another image on it, you can add a text, you can add a video as well, and you can also add a particle effect. Down below here, you have a particle preset, which you can use. If you tap on this, you can add little snow, snow, heavy snow, little rain, rain, heavy rain, bouncing balls, bubbles, or spreading rectangles. So let's go ahead and use spreading rectangles. You can choose the duration of how much of the rectangles you want. You can go ahead and change the image. And so instead of using rectangles, maybe use something else like this. Press preview, and you can see a preview of what's happening on your wallpaper. So like this. If you want to change the color of that particles, go ahead and change the color, preview it again. And as you can see the animation. Now, once you're happy with this animation, you can go ahead and tap on save at the top right, tap save. Now you can go ahead and tap on save as wallpaper, choose for home screen or lock screen or for both, and then press home. And now you've set a moving wallpaper for your lock screen and for your home screen. Feature number 8, expand and shrink app folders on your home screen. So with the update of One UI 7.0, you can now create folders, expand it, and also shrink it. So let me show you how to do this. So here we've got 5 icons here. I'll go ahead and create a folder for this. So I'll go ahead and select one, tap select, go ahead and select the icons which are required into a folder, tap on create folder at the top. Now from here, this has opened in full screen. However, I want this in a pop-up menu, so I want to see it on my home screen. So I'll go ahead and tap on home. I'll go ahead and select that folder, and I'll tap on enlarge. So now I can go ahead and see all the icons in that folder, and I can go ahead and tap on them if I require. Now, if I want to make my home screen minimalistic, I can go ahead and long press on the folder and then tap on shrink, and this will basically shrink the folder. However, to access those apps, I need to go ahead and tap on this, and then I need to go ahead and access it. Feature number 9 is where you can turn on the AI photo ambient wallpaper on your Samsung device. So if you want this AI effect where if it's raining outside, it'll rain, or if it's snowing outside, it'll snow on your wallpaper, then let me show you how to do this. So for all of you who have the new update, the One UI 7.0, you now have photo ambient mode. For those users who are in Samsung S25 Ultra, this is already on by default. However, for those of you who do not see the photo ambient mode, you can go ahead and switch this on by going to settings. Scroll down until you see Galaxy AI. Next, go ahead and scroll down until you see photo ambient wallpaper. And now from here, you'll see an option to turn it on. Since this is a Samsung S25 Ultra, it's already turned on by default. Next, press home. Go ahead and long press on a wallpaper, tap on wallpaper and style. Next, go ahead and tap on change wallpaper. From here, scroll down and you'll see this new option, photo ambient mode, which looks like that. Tap on this. Now go ahead and tap on try now. Go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So for example, this one here. Now go ahead and tap on done. And then go ahead and press home. Now when you lock your screen and you wake it up, so as you can see, the photo ambient mode on your Samsung wallpaper is a feature basically that dynamically adjusts the appearance of your wallpaper based on the time of the day, the lighting condition, and it creates a more immersive and a visually pleasing experience. And feature number 10 is where you can turn on Assistive Touch on your Samsung device. So with the update of One UI 7.0, you now have a Assistive Touch where you have a menu so you can access the most common functions on your Samsung device. So this is great if you don't want to press any physical buttons on your Samsung device. You can use the on-screen menu to do all that. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first you want to go ahead and bring down the notification or the quick panel menu, then tap on settings at the top right. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see accessibility. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see interaction and dexterity. From here, find the assistive menu. So basically this shows a menu of easy to reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gestures, and other common interaction. So go ahead and turn this feature on. From here, you can go ahead and configure your assistive menu. So you can select what menus you want to appear on your assistive menu. You can select the apps as well. You can go and replace a swipe with a single tap. You can show a assistive menu shortcut. So here at the bottom, you can use the accessibility button. You can make your menu larger or smaller. You can set the transparency of it. You can show it as an edge icon, so it's over here. You can even configure the touchpad and the cursor control for that. So when you press home, you'll see this assistive menu. Tap on this and you'll be able to access all the controls on it. So here you can access the recent, home, the back button, turn the screen off. You can turn the volume on and off. You can set screenshots. You can look at the notification panel. You can pinch to zoom. You can power off the menu. You can choose cursor, screen control, and you can go to menu settings. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best features in One UI 7.0. Which one are you most excited to try out? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. I read every single one of them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, tap the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a Samsung update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.